No one gives bilge pumps much thought. They languish in the bottom of the bilge and nobody notices anything until one day they open up the hatch cover and they see more water than there is normally. Bilge pumps generally come in two forms. We've got the impeller pump, which is usually the most popular, and then we've got a diaphragm pump. One of the big advantages of a diaphragm pump is that they're really good at pulling and pushing water, and they do not require a check valve. Third and final point is that they're good because they can suck the bilge completely dry of water. The other most common type of bilge pump, and the one you're most likely to see, is going to be one like this, an impeller pump. And the way that works is it sits in the bilge water and the impeller rotates and effectively throws water up the pipe and then out the side of the boat. If a pump fails to work or is working at less than peak efficiency, there's several things that you can do. The first thing you need to do is to check the screen, and that's this piece here, and you'll see it's perforated around the outside. Normally this will be screwed into the bottom of the boat to prevent the pump from moving, but then you can take that apart. This would be in the bottom of the boat, and then here you can see the impeller. Now that impeller, that's the thing that rotates, and even a small piece of debris like this matchstick in there would be enough to prevent this pump from working. If it's not mechanical, the next thing to check is electrical connections, and we need to make sure that they're tight and waterproof and of the highest integrity. If you suspect an electrical problem, it's a good idea to check the voltage at the pump while it's running. If you can't do that yourself, get a qualified marine electrician to do that for you. Unless the electrical connections are properly sealed, electricity can leak into the bilge water, which will flatten the battery and may over time corrode underwater metals. Under no circumstances should you use wire nuts anywhere on a boat. They're not waterproof, they can damage the cable, and over time they will corrode. Another test you can do is to check the float switch. Either use a finger or a screwdriver to lift the float switch, and you should hear the pump come on and it should switch off when you release it. Make sure there's nothing in the way to prevent the float switch from either rising or falling. So there you have it. We've covered most of the basics, but there could be other issues that we haven't addressed. But hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.